Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I sure am. We just need rain. So that's what I'm wishing for right now. So we are here today with a little surprise. I am on the guest design team for Raindrop Lila, and I have chosen her new kit, one of her new kits, to work on. And this is called Little Blessings. There is Little Blessings Tall. I'm not doing the tall at this time. There's Little Blessings Standard, which is what I have. Little Blessing Tags I have. Little Blessing Add-on 1 and Little Blessing Add-on 2. So that's what we have in here. And wouldn't that make a nice card? This kit has a subtle hint of pink in it. And I'm deciding if I want to make a journal out of this. Or this, probably. Or if I want to use the cover that I just purchased from Lydia. So look at these flowers. I printed this on 65-pound card. I think it'd be better printed out that way, to cutting out that way. We have some envelopes. See, you have little touches of pink. It's like a vintage pink. And in the kit that the envelopes are in, I think it's the add-on kit 1, you have this background page. So I backed all of the envelopes, tags, and the journaling cards with that pink. These are going to be fun to play with. And we have some words here. Sweet baby, princess, mama and me, precious one, little one, blessings, I love you, so loved. I love those words. Oh, look, we have them here too, a little bit smaller. These look so vintage. These are going to be fun to play with. Cut that out in the center, put some acetate, and put an image on that acetate. That one I didn't need a back, but I did. So here's some cool tags. These are neat. I love these. Those tags are so pretty. It's how are you going to embellish those any further? They're just too pretty to embellish. Yeah, these tags are awesome. There are some nice ones to embellish. We have a couple more envelopes. And then we have our pages, and I have printed front and back. I did take a couple of pages from the tall kit, just so I didn't have to reuse any. And you can see both of them good. Isn't the beautiful kit? So you can really accentuate the pink if you want to, or the vintage side of it. Very nice. And Raindrop Lila is having a 40% off sale. Excuse me, I need to get a drink of water. Medicine I take dries out my mouth. But she is having a 40% off sale. And you better run over there, because I don't know how much longer she's going to have that for. See, look at the blue in that. So I don't know how much longer she's going to have that sale for. So you better run on over. And she has quite a few new kits. This is just one of them. So there you go. I will be doing some fussy cutting, and then the next time you see me, we'll be making a journal. All right, I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.